Welcome back to the Review Garage, the channel where we bring you the hottest scoops, the most detailed breakdowns, and the ultimate deep dives into the world of cars. If you're passionate about automotive excellence, you've just stepped into the right garage. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our updates. Today, we're diving into a car that revives a true American legend. Yes, Ford has officially unveiled the brand new 2026 Ford Torino, a next-generation muscle car that blends retro heritage with cutting-edge technology. This is the return of an icon, and it's turning heads all over the automotive world. The Torino has always carried a reputation for raw power, muscular styling, and a sense of road dominance. The new 2026 series takes that DNA and injects it with modern engineering, advanced aerodynamics, and a design language that's bold, aggressive, and unmistakably Ford. At first glance, the exterior styling is a stunning balance between classic cues and futuristic touches. The long, sweeping hood, the sculpted side panels, and the fastback-inspired rear pay tribute to the Torino heritage of the late 60s and 70s, while the LED lighting signatures, aerodynamic splitters, and wide stance push it firmly into the 21st century. Ford has clearly aimed to deliver a car that honors the past but embraces the future. Under the hood, Ford isn't holding back. The 2026 Torino comes with multiple powertrain options to satisfy different kinds of enthusiasts. At the top of the range, you'll find a 5.2-liter twin-turbocharged V8, delivering a jaw-dropping 720 horsepower. That makes this Torino not just a nod to classic muscle cars, but a serious contender in today's performance market. Alongside the V8, Ford is also offering a hybrid-assisted 3.5-liter V6, designed to balance speed with efficiency. And for the first time in Torino history, an all-electric variant is expected, boasting instant torque and over 350 miles of range. This shows Ford's commitment to giving the Torino a place in both traditional and futuristic garages. Inside, the Torino embraces luxury and innovation. Step into the cabin and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit that blends old-school muscle charm with cutting-edge technology. A massive 15-inch central infotainment display dominates the dashboard, seamlessly integrated with Ford's next-generation SYNC system. Digital gauges can be fully customized to display classic-inspired dials or futuristic layouts depending on your mood. Premium leather, carbon fiber trims, and ambient lighting ensure that the Torino isn't just about brute force, it's about style, comfort, and modern luxury. Ford hasn't just engineered the Torino for straight-line speed. They've equipped it with adaptive suspension, electronic limited slip differentials, and advanced traction management systems. This means the Torino isn't only a drag strip monster, it's built to carve corners and dominate winding roads, with drive modes ranging from Eco to Sport Plus and even a track setting. The 2026 Torino gives drivers full control over how much adrenaline they want to unleash. Safety and connectivity also take center stage. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, and over-the-air updates make sure that the Torino stays modern and future-ready. Ford has also integrated AI-driven predictive maintenance, ensuring drivers know exactly when their car needs attention before issues arise. The 2026 Ford Torino represents more than just the revival of a nameplate. It's the rebirth of an era. Ford has taken the essence of classic American muscle and redefined it for the modern age, fusing power, technology, and unmistakable design into one groundbreaking package. Whether you're a diehard fan of vintage Torinos or someone looking for a fresh new performance machine, this car is bound to leave an impression. That wraps up our first look at the next generation 2026 Ford Torino. What do you think? Has Ford nailed the balance between heritage and innovation? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let us know which version of the Torino you'd choose, the monstrous V8, the efficient hybrid, or the electric future. This has been the Review Garage, where every detail matters and every car gets its spotlight. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the automotive world. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your passion for cars alive.